And we should also do this inside the show if and below the checkout cart as well. So I cut that, and I'm going to start that right there. Oops, can't spell. And we learned about the switch context earlier, so I won't go through exactly what we're doing here. I will, just to keep everything spaced appropriately, I'm going to put a couple of tabs in these. Oops. Now this new BB Edit doesn't work quite like the old BB Edit with the tabs. Used to remember your position a little better, but we'll figure that out. It's important to keep a well-formatted code. It really makes a difference down the line when you have a lot of code and you have to figure out where you're at. So I try to keep, for example, here's where I start the switch, and if I follow along that same vertical line where my cursor is, the ending switch, the ending tag for that switch context will be on the same vertical plane. Same with the sub context here, the default, same vertical plane. That just helps you keep track of your code and makes it a lot easier on the eyes. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to actually split out this HTML code so it's easier for me to deal with the page. Oops. Checkout default include, again, new text page, paste it. This is called checkout default.inc. Alright, and just to see that we haven't messed anything up, I'm going to refresh the default page here. Notice it still works as it's supposed to. So if you notice, we fill some stuff out here and hit next billing information. It doesn't yet work because we haven't set the page parameter. So we'll go back up to this form. This is the default, checkout default up here. And we need to add the hidden input. Oops. and we called that CO underscore page, I believe. And we're going to give it a value of billing. Alright, so now we're on checkout.dna. Fill in some stuff here, and notice we're on the billing info page here. Alright, so let's complete the billing information. I'm going to actually grab this entire form here. Then I'm going to go back to the checkout default page, and right inside of billing I'm going to paste our shipping info code and fit it to be the billing info. And I can just change that up there to billing. And let's see here. I'm going to create another page called thanks, because after the billing information we want to go directly to the you can go to either a review page or the final page. Just to keep this quick, I'm going to go directly to the page that finalizes the order, which is a lot of times you may want to call that the thank you page or the thank you for shopping sort of thing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create another page called thanks, and I'll do that right here. I always put some default text in there just to when I'm testing, so I know I'm in the right area. All right, so for this billing or for this shipping or for this billing info, I'm going to highlight all this and see if I can use BBEdit's features to change this, to get rid of the ship to part of all this code. So I highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to do find ship to, and I'm going to do case sensitive here. That's this is another good example of it being a good practice to be careful about your case conventions, meaning if you start using or start coding WebDNA in a certain case, then you can utilize that later to do replaces such as this. Get rid of entire word. So in the selected text only, I'm going to find all the ship tos that are the exact case, and then I'm going to change it to nothing, so I don't have to put anything there. And let's see what that does. So 12 occurrences. We'll have to check this, but that should get us pretty close. So we'll put the text here, step 2, billing info. So the first field is name, and we have O_name.